This video will show you how to add two pictures to a form and change the property of a button as you click on the pictures. Starting with Visual Studio, you're going to create a new project. Let's call this one Pictures, and make sure that it's saved in the folder where my C# projects are saved. Once the form has been created, let's resize it a little bit. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of pictures. The first picture that's going to be, and we have to scroll down a little bit, it's going to be in the common controls again, and it's a picture box. So we click it, drag it and drop it, and this is going to be the picture. Now you can either click on this little play right here, play button, or you can click here to choose the image. Now for the image, we're going to click import, and I have created two pictures for the purpose of this assignment. One is the cat. I'm going to open it and OK it, and then we're just going to resize the picture box so that it fits the picture. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert another picture box, drag and drop it, and this time this one is going to be of, we're going to click import dog, open, and we're going to OK that as well, resize it so that it looks approximately the same. Okay, so we have a dog and a cat. Now let's go and change their names so they're easy to identify. So we're going to go to the properties and go to the top under name. Let's have this one is going to be picture cat, and for the other one is going to be picture dog, and you hit enter. Okay, so now we have labeled these, we have given them names. Let's go ahead and add an actual label. We're going to go to the label, drag and drop a label, maybe right here somewhere, and that label, it's going to be, I'll call it label underscore identify, and that's the name of the label, and the actual text of the label is going to be, I'm just going to add some dots like that so we can see it, it's there. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm going to do, just double check. Okay, so this is my label identify. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the cat. Okay, and this similarly to the button that I worked with in the previous video, generates the event handler for what will happen if somebody clicks on the picture of the cat. So if they click on the picture of the cat, this method is going to be called or executed. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to change the label identify, the text of that label, and notice how Visual Studio automatically highlights and suggests things for me, is going to be equal to cat. Okay, so that's going to be the property of we're going to change the text of the label. Let's see how that works. And if I click on the cat, there we go. The label changed to cat. Let's go and change the other one. So I'm going to double click on the dog to generate the event handler. And then in there, I'm just going to copy the code from the other one and then paste it in here. And this is going to be changed to dog. Okay, check my program. Cat, dog.